Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, I miss going outside and having creamy delicious restaurant paneer curry. I think you miss it too. What if I say you can also prepare the same creamy delicious paneer curry, that too in cooker and also within 30 minutes? In my today's video, I am going to share how to make restaurant style creamy paneer curry. So without wasting much time, let's begin. I'm taking 200 grams of paneer. I'm removing the plastic, washing it and pat drying, and then cutting it into smaller cubes. Don't cut the paneer cubes into very small pieces as it may break while frying. So I'm going to show how to make this restaurant style paneer in a cooker. So I took this steel pressure cooker and heating it up. Once the water contents are evaporated, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of oil. Within next 30 seconds, I dropped paneer cubes into this oil and started frying till it turns golden brown. Be very careful while you drop paneer cubes into hot oil as it may splutter. In 30 seconds to 1 minute, paneer started turning into golden brown. I'm now going to remove these paneer cubes from the hot oil and putting it into a plate. Follow the same frying process with remaining paneer cubes. The reason we are frying the paneer cube is because when it is completely cooked, it will give crunchy taste outside and juicy taste inside. Now it's time to prepare for gravy. I'm cutting 2 to 3 big onions into very small pieces. Preparation time including removing the skin, washing and chopping will take around 10 minutes. I'm also going to chop 4 big tomatoes into small cubes. Taking 1 inch of ginger and 4 pods of garlic. Once the peeling is done, I'm going to make fresh ginger garlic paste. You can also use store-bought ginger garlic paste, but the fresh one is always taste better. Sometimes I store it in the freezer as a cubes, but I'm going to make it fresh. It just takes 1 minute. Ginger garlic paste is now ready. Let's go and combine all this together. I'm taking 1 small star anise, 3 pods of clove, 2 to 3 pods of cardamom and small piece of cinnamon as well as few bay leaves. There are few spoons of oil still remaining in the cooker after frying the paneer. So I'm going to drop all these spices in this cooker without adding extra spoons of oil. You can add 1 or 2 spoons of butter or oil as required. I'm now going to fry all these spices for a minute. Add 1 spoon of cumin seeds, fry it for a second and drop all the chopped onions into cooker. Fry these onions turns into very mushy or until it's almost caramelized. I kept the gas in medium flame heat and it took around 5 to 8 minutes to completely fry this onion and keep stirring in between. You can also add spoon of salt here, but I'm going to add it at the end. Onion turned mushy. Now I'm going to add freshly made ginger garlic paste and fry it for a minute. Now drop all chopped tomatoes into this pressure cooker. Again keep frying till it's mushy or oil separates from the cooker. Instead of adding chopped tomatoes and frying it till mushy, you can also add tomato puree or store-bought tomato puree. Next thing is to add few spices. I'm going to make this paneer masala curry a medium hot one, so I'm going to add spices keeping that in mind. I added half spoon of turmeric, 1 spoon of chili powder, half spoon of garam masala powder, 1 spoon of cumin powder, pinch of coriander powder. I'm going to mix all these spices and fry it with onion tomato gravy. It will take a minute. Add 1 spoon of salt for taste and half spoon of sugar. Mix well and keep stirring for some time. You can see oil start separating from bottom of the cooker. Normal gravy is now ready. Let's make this more creamy and delicious by adding half glass of milk. With all the spices added into this paneer masala curry because of the flavor that we required, By adding this milk into this curry, you can also make it as creamy as well as more moderate spicy one. You can also make this paneer masala curry or vegan paneer masala curry just by adding tofu and coconut milk. Keep stirring for a minute. Now add all the fried paneer cubes into this gravy. Finally, add some dried fenugreek leaves and chopped coriander leaves. In this stage, you can also taste for salt and make the adjustment if required. You can see paneer gravy is getting ready with all colorful and flavorful. Add half glass of hot water into this pressure cooker. Give a stir. Close the lid of the pressure cooker. Wait for 2 whistles. Stop the gas immediately after the 2 whistles. Wait for the gas to release automatically. So friends, in pressure cooker our paneer masala curry is ready. This creamy and delicious paneer masala curry goes very well with chapati, paratha or rice. Do give it a try in your kitchen and also let me know how the recipe comes out. I'm also going to share lots of other pressure cooker recipe in the coming weeks, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.